Alright. Today we're trading HIB, HIBB. They came out with a positive earning report. They're already up almost 8%, $2.50. I'm going to show you guys how to play the two sides of the trade today. The thing I've noticed when a positive earning report comes out, the stock this is usually what it does here. So I'm going to try and show you guys. When the market opens, it kind of the people who already bought into it kind of liquidate their shares, and what that means is that they're all selling their positions. So generally on the market open, the stock will drop a little bit to make room for the new buyers. So what that does for me is that it's going to give me room to short the stock. So that's going to be my first play. Is number one, I'm going to short the stock down on market open, because that's generally what happens with these positive earning reports. It'll shoot down a little bit on market open, and I'm going to take a little move there, and then I'm going to play the pullback on it, because that's generally how these positive reports go. So as you can see, the market already opened, and this stock, the brokerage here is kind of messed up. This is just a paper trading account, just so I can show you guys how to do it. The price, as you'll notice throughout this video, is kind of like it does not want to move. The price in real time is moving right now, but you'll see later in the video, like when I buy into it, you can see the P&L moving, but this won't move. So I'll just go to a different app in the end of the video and show you I'm selling. So right now it's kind of just a little waiting game. I wanted to get in my position, because right now I'm not really getting much. It's kind of hard to tell off this little price stuff here, but I'm just going to go with what I said and what I usually know generally happens, and I'm just going to put in my sell order here soon. Okay, so I'm about to put in my order here for my sell. This is called going short. This is making money when a stock drops. If you have trouble understanding what that is, because I always get a lot of questions on how I make money when a stock goes down, just look up short selling. It should give you a good explanation on it. So right now, as you can see, you don't see the price moving, but in the bottom right corner, I'm getting absolutely pounded right now. I'm speaking from the future, so I already know what happens, but in this spot here, I was pretty confident that the stock would go down, because it's just how it goes. After you watch it so many times, that's why people say, like, stock market's gambling. It's not really gambling if you come do this every day and you start to realize what happens on market open every day with these earning report stocks. It's not luck. It's patterns. So here we're just going to have to be patient. We're not going to be able to see the price movement, but we're going to be able to tell what's going on by the P&L in the bottom right corner. So yeah, this is just going to be a waiting game. I'm probably going to fast forward it a little bit so we don't have to wait, because this was a long trade. Here we are up some monies. Again, we're playing two sides of this. So we're going to play the pullback here, and then we're going to play the reverse. So I'll be back to you guys in a minute. All right, so here we are. We're closing that position, liquidating it, taking our money, about $385 on it. Now we're going to go back in, and I feel like it's hit a good bottom spot, so we're going to go back in, and now we're going to buy the stock and play the second part, which is the pullback of it. You can see where the price is on it now. It's at 322, 31.22 earlier. We were looking at it up at 32.65 earlier and stuff like that. We got in at 31.75 on our short, shorted it down to here. We put in our order at 32, but the 75 got filled at 31.75, because that's just the volatility of the stock. Here we are in our buy position. Right now we're being proved right. Up a good amount right now. It'll probably pull around on us a little bit. This one did take a little bit too. As you can see, it's already 9:42, 12 minutes in the market open. But I'll come back and I'll show you the end result. Alrighty, so here we are, about to take our money. We're at $650 right now in our overall total. As you can see, the price I said is not moving, so I'll show you on my normal account here. As you can see, this is the price right now. It's actually at 31.77, so that's a good enough move for us to get out. We're gonna We're not going to leave any money on the table. We're going to walk away. There's definitely going to be more money to be made, but there is also that possibility that could come back on us. So we're just going to take what we can today and come out with 665.